Are you going to court and you're not sure exactly how you should act? My name is Carl Burkhead. I'm an attorney with Worth Law Office, and I want to help you to make law easy by just going through my top 5 tips for the best practices in the courtroom. Um, I've shot a couple of videos like this with talking about various things that you should or should not do in the courtroom, and I want to go with just a few of the ones that come up the most often. The first one: dress appropriately. Um, you don't want to be wearing anything that you'd be wearing out to the club or anything like that. I tell my clients, if you wear something that you would wear to Easter Sunday, if you're going to church, or wear something that you would like, slacks and a button-down shirt for gentlemen. Ladies, I'm not great with fashion, so I would just say wear something that's the equivalent. The next thing, keep your cell phones turned off. I've seen so many people get yelled at in court because they have their cell phones on. Keep them off. Don't even put them on silent. Just keep it off because sometimes it'll go off accidentally, and that's a bad day. Uh, Third, you definitely want to address the judge as Your Honor. Um, I've seen so many people go, yeah, sir, yeah, ma'am, yeah, bro, yeah. Don't ever call the judge bro. It's very respectful to just say Your Honor. And all of these things come down to respect. Don't speak unless spoken to is a big one. Whether you're representing yourself or especially if you have a lawyer, you don't want to speak unless the judge addresses you directly, or unless your attorney says, okay, you can say something. I had recently I had somebody who just wanted to argue with the judge, and he wanted to argue with the judge, and no matter how many times I looked at him and said, be quiet, be quiet, be quiet, he wouldn't be quiet. That's not going to help your case. If anything, it's going to hurt it because the judge doesn't want to be second guessed. I barely get to argue with the judge, and I'm a lawyer. The judge doesn't want to be second guessed by just, I don't want to say just, but the judge doesn't want to be second guessed by the parties in this case and absolutely does not want to be argued with. The last thing is be on time. Uh, I can't tell you how many times I've had a judge look at me side-eyed because my clients were running late. Again, it all comes down to respect. The biggest thing that you can do is do your best to be respectful in the courtroom, be respectful of the court's time, and be respectful of everyone else in the courtroom's time. I mean, more often than not, you're going to be there on a docket that has tons of cases on it, I mean, tens upon tens of cases. Everyone needs Everyone needs the judge's attention. Everyone needs the judge's time, and you've got to be as respectful as you can about it. If you have any questions, or if you're just feeling a little nervous about going to court and you really need some reassurance or some guidance, or you need someone to go with you, give us a call. My name is Carl Burkhead. I'm with Worth Law Office, and I want to help you to make law easy. Thank you.